All right, we're going to try this. I don't know if you can see this, but I am sitting just outside the slip. I don't have anybody at the helm, and I've got the boat on what's called assisted docking mode right now, getting ready to go in the slip. And if you watch this, this is pretty flipping cool. Let me tell you. I'm going to go in the side door. And can you see down the side there? I'm going to give this a little nudge as we're coming in. Now we don't even have lines on. We can take our time getting the lines on. If you look down the side there, I'm going to do a little nudge. That's just a little tap on the joystick and I let it go. I don't have to do anything. You see how it's sitting perfectly there. I don't have to do a thing. Totally takes the thinking out of this. It's no fun for showing off either. Looking down the side there, you see how it's keeping us perfectly in place. We're getting ready to get the fenders on and lines, but we're just kind of playing with it, see how we can do. So that's one little nudge on the controller, and it takes us in. And I let it go. I don't have to keep my hand on that joystick. We're still getting ready. We're going to go a little further. I let that go. You notice we're nice and close, but we've got all the time in the world.